nearly last section of the presentation or the webinar, which is to basically give you a quick summary of top IoT market players. So we talked about Amazon Web Services. It's basically in 2015, Amazon Web Services launched its Internet of Things platform, which uses tools like Kinesis, real-time streaming service, S3, the simple storage service, and DynamoDB, which is massively scalable NoSQL database. Dell is offering endpoint connectivity for devices, so plus back-end storage and analytics platforms to manage IoT data. In 2014, Dell opened its IoT lab in Silicon Valley in partnership with Intel. AT&T, the company has launched M2X, basically machine-to-machine or machine-to-human. It's a cloud-based data storage service and data flow, a development portal for building applications for the world of IoT. AT&T hopes to have 10 million vehicles connected to its network by 2017, including 1.2 million fleet vehicles and nearly 240,000 shipping containers. Bosch says its range of products will be connected to the Internet of Things to ease maintenance and monitoring of devices, making it one of the key enablers of IoT if it delivers on its promise. Plus, the company has built an IoT cloud to process all that data. Cisco has carved out a range of IoT services from network connectivity, including switching, routing, wireless access, and embedded network hardware, to fog computing services, which bring data collection, storage, and analysis to the network edge, to data analytics, security management, and automation. General Electric is credited with coining the term the industrial Internet of Things to depict the idea of connecting devices used in manufacturing to the Internet. It has an IoT platform called Predix. It's a cloud-based data and analytics service, is another pillar of GE's IoT plans. So Google, on the business side, Google says its combination of fiber optic backend network combined with its massive public cloud mean that it is in a unique position to serve the needs of IoT. And recently, it just launched Android Things, a new OS for IoT gadgets. Mentor Graphics has an IoT gateway connecting devices and cloud edge server. It also has an end-to-end platform, CSP, for device management, data aggregation, remote provisioning, databases, and security control. Additionally, it adopted Eat Your Own Dog Food slogan by basically using its own platform to provide vertical services in the smart lobby solution. Hitachi, the company is partnering with Intel to ensure its machine and industrial equipment are connected. On the HTS side, the company is rolling out new cloud-based platforms to collect and analyze IoT data. Huawei released Light OS. It's a micro operating system for IoT devices. It joined the Cloud Foundry open source community to help create an IoT application development forum. Oracle, as expected, is building connections for its SQL, NoSQL, and databases to ingest IoT data and integrate data back into the company's applications. It has an IoT service and IoT cloud that prepackages these workflow services into a product. And IBM basically is in the platform as a service domain. So it has IBM Bluemix, which is a cloud platform as a service developed by IBM. Intel wants to be the company supplying silicon for the Internet of Everything. The company has rolled out a variety of products to serve IoT, from its Quark line that provides low power computing for small form factor appliances to Atom processors that are ideal for rich graphic rendering. Microsoft has rolled out an IoT suite for its Azure public cloud, which includes IoT Hub for users to connect, monitor, and control devices, a streaming analytics service combined with machine learning, a notification hub for sending messages across IoT devices, and Power BI. PTC bought ThingWorks, an IoT application development platform, Axida, a cloud service for managing connected devices and processing machine-to-machine data, and Cold Light, which is a machine learning artificial intelligence platform for analyzing data. Salesforce it has introduced its IoT cloud powered by its real-time processing engine named Thunder. It's not just about what they say is basically that it's not just about connected machines, it's about connected products and marketing as well. Samsung promises to make all of its devices IoT ready by 2020. The company is developing a series of ARM chips for its devices, along with APIs that it says will allow its devices to connect to any IoT platform customers want. They also offer a public cloud called Arctic that enables connect and play of embedded devices. Siemens, as General Electric, is in the industrial domain, so it's working to connect its devices and has partnered with SAP to provide the analysis while also building customer software for what it calls the Web of Systems. It has its cloud called MindSphere and several gateways for industrial domains. HP acquired vendor Aruba Networks for $3 billion to tap into the IoT market, and they will aim to produce connected hardware like routers and switches. Symantec, they got new software that goes to a large variety of these small footprint devices, like, for example, sensors and the platforms, and can do things like end-to-end encryption and authentication. SAP launched its SAP Hana cloud platform for IoT, which includes a range of data and application services. Hana includes predictive analytics, telematics, geolocation capabilities, while other IoT services are new, like, for example, device management, IoT messaging, and IoT application enablement. Qualcomm started the All Join initiative, which aims to create an open source protocol for IoT devices, to introducing a series of IoT optimized chips named Snapdragon, to offering a variety of connectivity services and platforms. Facebook, not expected, but basically Parse is Facebook's back-end mobile platform that now enables developers to create IoT apps supporting major chip manufacturers such as Intel, Atmel, and Broadcom, a back-end as a service for microcontrollers and real-time operating systems. And Freescale, basically multiple reference designs based on IMX6, Sabre for media, for networking gateway, and software from partners such as IBM and cloud services. So in a nutshell, as I indicated, I'm not listing all the players that are out there, but in a nutshell, what I want to tell you is that a lot of the big players are basically diving into the IoT domain because it is expected that the next chunk of revenue in billions will be coming from that space. So with that said,